Urdu's ascent to prominence as the language of power commenced around the 1770s, coinciding with Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II's residence at the Red Fort in Delhi. While Persian retained its official status, Shah Alam II himself embraced Urdu for his prose writings. A new wave of Delhi poets embraced Rekhta and started to write in Rekhta. मीर तकी मीर को क्यों ना मुख्तनिम जाने, अगले लोगों में एक रहा है ये। मिर्जा रफी सौदा। गिला लिखूं मैं अगर तेरी बेवफाई का, लहू में गर्क सफीना हो आशनाई का। ख्वाजा मीर दर्द। शबो रोज ए दर्द दर पे हूं उसके, किसू ने जिसे या न समझा न देखा। As the Mughal Empire's grip loosened in the 18th century, power shifted to the provinces, and Urdu, as it was now known, found fertile ground in the eastern province of Awadh. The Lucknow school of poets emerged, bringing Shaistagi, meaning elegance, and Nafasat, meaning refinement, to the language. The Lucknow school of poets' mastery of vocabulary, exploration of complex emotions, and keen social commentary left an indelible mark on generations of writers. The movement's impact on Urdu literature is comparable to the Renaissance's influence on European literature.